Hi there, Eve here. Today I will talk about why your TikTok video has no view or no getting view when you upload video. So I'm going to tell you why that might be a reason to not to get any views on the TikTok account and what you can do to get more views for your TikTok video. Now the first thing or work that you want to do while you try to update any video, you need to make sure this setting called who can view this video. From here, you need to check and set public. If you don't choose the setting, no one will be able to watch your video. After this, the next work you need to do is open TikTok, tap on profile, tap on three dots, choose privacy, turn off your private account. If you enable this option, nobody will be able to see your content. Now, the last work I want you guys to do is share your video with 10 people at least. Once they will see your video will start to get a view. So guys, if you follow this process on your TikTok account, you'll be able to have more views on your TikTok account. That's all about this video. If you still have anything to ask, please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.